Hello everyone, welcome to a very new video. Today I will show you how to make your pendrive bootable so that you can install Windows from your pendrive. The pendrive will allow you to install fresh Windows just by completely formatting C drive. So for this you need two files and a minimum 8 GB of pendrive. This file can be downloaded from Microsoft's website. I have a separate video on this. Check the description for link. Now we have to download Rufus software. Here is the process. Go to Google and search for Rufus. This is the website. Click here. Under the download section, click the first link. It will start downloading automatically. Now double click on the file. Under the device menu, it is empty now because I have to insert my pen drive and it will detect my pen drive here. Let's insert my pen drive. Okay, you can see that the software has automatically detected the pen drive. Make sure your pen drive is empty because it will format it. Click select and choose the Windows 10 ISO file. Click open. Here is the most important part. Here you can see two options, GPT and MBR. Between two, if you choose the wrong method, you will face error during the installation. The question is, should we select GPT or MBR? To know this, we have to search for disk. Click here. This is my pen drive and this is the hard disk. Right click on this and select properties. Click volumes. You can see that my hard disk partition style is GPT, so I will select GPT. If you see MBR in your device, then you have to choose MBR from the list. Okay, I leave everything into default settings. Now click start. Click OK. Now the booting process begins to start. Wait for some time until the process is being completed. Okay, the process is done. Don't worry, just click on close. Now you can see that your pen drive has been divided into two partitions and it is now ready for boot. So this was the simple process of making a pen drive bootable for installing clean version of Windows. Hope you will like the video. Thank you very much.